Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to pay with Google Pay online. So let's get started. So to pay with Google Pay, the first thing you need to do is install Google Pay. So let's just go to the Play Store, and if you're using an iOS, just go to the App Store. Now type Google Pay in the search bar. Now let's click on the Google Pay. After that, you have to download and install the app. I'm not going to do that because I already have installed Google Pay. Let's tap on Open and the app will open up. Make sure your Google Pay has access to your mobile number. If you're opening Google Pay for the first time, you need to link your mobile number to your Google Pay and to your bank account. So, in order to pay a person from Google Pay, there are different options. So, let's just click on QR code. Everybody has their own QR code. For example, let me show you one. So, this is my QR code, and anyone can scan this and pay me through this QR code. The other method is to pay with phone number. So let's just click here and enter a person's mobile number and click on pay and enter the amount you want to pay. There are many more options. For example, if you want to recharge your phone, you just have to click on mobile recharge and recharge your phone. So there are many more options to choose from. And there you go guys, it's super easy. If you found this tutorial helpful, please subscribe to my channel. I'll see you in the next video.